Now, in this video, we are going to take up how to solve the problem by using the solid software. The problem reads as the NDA of a line is on HB, the end capital A of a line is on HB, and 25 mm in front of VB. The end B is on VB and 50 mm above HB. The distance between the end projectors when measured parallel to the line of intersection of HB and VB is 65 mm. Draw the projections of the line capital AB and determine its true length and true inclination with HB and VB. So this is the problem which is given to you, how to solve this problem by using solid software. So let us go to the solid software. So this is your the basic screen. Here you can see that there is a sheet which is of A2. So I want to change it to A4. That is basically because my printout will going to be considered or will be taken in A4 size sheet. So to do that, first I will go take the cursor here to the lower left corner. You can see sheet 1. So you just right click on this, click on sheet setup. So I want to change the background sheet. So this is A2. I'll come down to combo box down, pull down menu and take this A4 size sheet. Show background. I don't want this background to be displayed because I don't want to take the printout of that. So I'll just click on disable and say OK. So now the sheet will go to be shrinked. Basically because already the sheet has been set for A2, but now we have changed it to A4. A4 is less than that A2 size sheet. Therefore, the sheet will going to be shrinked. So if I want to set to the display, desired display, you just click on the fit option. So you are going to get the drawing to the screen, near to the screen. Now we will try to type the problem. The NDA of a line is on HB. So to do that, first I will go for text, then click on these Times New Roman and the font size is 4 and enter. Now we are going to type the problem. The NDA of a line, the N capital A of a line, the NDA of a line is on HB and 25 mm in Then the NB is on VB, the end capital B is on VB and 50 mm above HB. The distance between end projectors, the distance between the end projectors when measured parallel to the line of intersection of HB and VB is 65 mm. Draw the projections of the line. Draw the projections of the line. Draw the projections of the line, capital AB, and determine its true length. Its true length. And true inclinations with HB and VB. Okay. Once you do that, now the drawing is, typing the text is over. We just right click so that it will go to cancel the command. So come down to sketching, click on more, disable copy, yes. You just click on this and take it wherever you want and place it within the boundary of the A4 size sheet. Whatever it is whatever the things which are there outside that sheet, it will not going to be taken for printed. That is, you have to bear with it. Now, since in the examination we need not have to construct our drawing by using the sketchbook, so I can start doing it directly. So you have to start practicing like this to do the drawing without taking into the solution. By looking at your problem, you should be able to make it out. So how to do that now? So first I will go for zoom window. So what exactly we are doing first? First I want to draw a XY line. You just click on line. So you come down to the line width and make it 0.05 point. Sorry, you take it 0.05, 0.05 and enter. So then you draw a horizontal line. So before actually going for the drawing the horizontal line, first you make sure that end point and intersection and horizontal or vertical are enabled in the IntelliSketch, and all other options you switch off. So you take some arbitrary point and then from there you draw a horizontal line of length. Then first we are going to take up NDA is on HP and 25 mm in front of VP. So before doing that, where is HP and VP I want to identify. So you come down to text and type 3. Only 4 mm text is only for writing the question. So take the cursor here, put the caps lock on, take capital X and here capital Y. Then VP will be above XY line and HP will be below XY line. Right click. So now he says NDA is on HP and 25 mm in front of VP. So what is the distance? In front of VP is seen in HP. So I will type 25 and enter. So you select the horizontal XY line, right click and take it down. Again, do you want to continue? No, I will just click right click. Then I will go for a line command and draw one horizontal line of any length. So go to trim corner between this line and then go to trim this line. So that means I want to keep it only till to the XY line. Then the other end B is on VP and 50 mm above HP. So I go for offset, take the distance as 50 mm above HP. So you take this line, right click and take it. Then he says the NB is on VP. So what is that? I will going to get this on the locus of B in the top view. So you have the locus of B. You have the locus of B in top view. And now you have the locus of B in the front. Okay, once you do that, then he says the distance between the end projectors when measured parallel to the line of intersection of HP and VP is 65. So you go to offset, take the distance as 65 and enter. So you just click on this, right click and take it here. Then go to extend to next till here. So now you have the end projectors where it is cutting the locus here and where the cut is cutting the locus here. So you don't have to have the other distance. So you just trim down this line. It's not required. Now come down to zoom window. So now what we have done, we have the line from above HP and to this line. Similarly from this point to this point. So this is the front view line. Why? Because the corresponding top view is also inclined. You know this is the top view because the corresponding front view is already inclined. So how to, now I need to name them. What are those points? So I will say A dash, then here it is B dash, that is the front view. Then you have A in the top view, then you have B in the top view. So we have the top view and front view of a line. So now what I need to do, I want to find the true length in HP. Since I want to find the true length in HP, I have to make that line parallel. Or if you want to find the true length in VP, I want to make this line parallel. So how to do that? I will go for an OR command, click on center point, take the end point of this to end point of this and you draw a arc. Then go to trim corner between this arc and this line. So now once you do that, so you have the front view clarity. So you just go to move, disable copy, you take X and then you take VP and then you take HP here. Okay. Now we are going to see at the later stage what are all the other things we need to do. You take just the top view, you take B. Now what is this point? I will going to take that point as B1. B. 1. So now you have that move, select this and keep it here. So then you place this here. Then you have y, you take it out. So similarly, you take a dash and you have b here. Okay, then you make it b1, then go to fit, then go to zoom window. Now the line is parallel to xy in the top view. Since the line is parallel to xy in the top view, so its corresponding front view will going to be in true length. So you take this line, tilt to the locus of b in the front view. So once you do that, you just go to trim this line till here. Then you go to line, take the line from end point to this end point. So since it is the top view point is parallel to xy, its corresponding front view will be in true length. So you just go to move this line till outside. So you make this locus of b. Then you go to text. So you change the text here. So you take b1 dash. Sorry. Then you have b1 dash. Then you also have capital B. Then similarly you have capital A. Okay. Then you just fit this, go to zoom window. Now the front view part is over. So you just go to move, disable copy, you take A dash and you take capital A. So you have B dash, then you have B1 dash, then you have locus of B, you take this here. Okay. Now I want the front view true length. The top view true length. You make the line front view line parallel to xy. How to do that? You just go to R command, click on the endpoint of this to the endpoint of this. Now you will go to get this here. Then go to trim between this line. Then we have it is B2 dash. So now I will take move. You take this locus of B outside and of course you will take here. Then I will go to draw a line from end point of this to end point of this. So this is the true length line. Why? Because the line parallel to HP. A dash is an HP, therefore B2 dash is also on HP, then only that line will be parallel to HP. But so A is on HP, that B2 dash is also an HP, therefore the line is parallel. Its corresponding term front view, A is here and B2 should also be here only. Why? Because B is above HP by 50 and it is on VP. So you are going to get the locus of B on the XY line. So the front top view is here itself and the locus of B is here itself. Then go to line command, draw some arbitrary line here of any length and go to extend to next now. So here just take this out, display. So for end, for the extend, you need to have the boundary. Therefore, I have created the vertical line and extended the XY line and then remove that line because it is not required. Then go to move, enable copy, you take this B and keep it here, B2. Similarly, you take A and copy it this here. So you have the front view and also the top view and true length in the front view and the true length in the top view. Now you need to show the thicknesses. Just go to shift, select this line and the front view and top view line, make the distance 0.5, then you select the true length line, select this line and this line, you make that as 0.35. So then you come down to this, you click on this and you make this line 0.13 because that is the XY line. Now we go to split this line till here. Okay, so we have the XY line, you just go to remove this. So now you go for select this and you make this dash dot line which doesn't have the locus of B, and in the top view also you cannot do that because the point B is on the xy line. Therefore, I will not be able to do that. We make this line 0.13, which is the xy line, and then this is going to be the true length line, which is between these two. This distance will be 0.35. So now what I need to do? Now I need to show the dimensions. To show the dimensions, come down to dimensioning style, click on ISO and click on modify, come down to general. So make that all color is black because I will be taking the printout in black and white. Then go to text, come down to Times New Roman, and then the font size is 3 and say OK. Sorry, modify, line set coordinates, make this line 0.1 because that is the thickness what the dimension lines will be printed. So now what I need to do, I have to show the true length of the dimension. So you come down to distance between, select in any one of the sides of the true length. You just click on this, then you select, you can see here the true length is 85.73, and then you have the angle between, and you don't show the text, so you want it gap blank, so you just click on this, you take it here, then again from between these two you take it here. So here go to text, select simple, then you come down to this, remove the caps lock off, remove the caps lock and type small letter Q for theta and small letter phi for F, small letter F for phi. So then you go to move, disable copy, select this line and keep it here, and you select this theta and you keep it here. Now once you do that, now I need to show the directions of projections. So then before that you want 85.73, which is the true length. So how do you get that? You can see what is the true length now here, 85.73 mm. So your drawing is right. So you just come down to this, you select this and you make this as black. Okay, then come down to text. So here it is make that it as Times New Roman, and here you take the true length equals, because that is the one which I need to find out now. Then go to rotate, select this, rotate with reference to the horizontal, you make it this inclined. So once you do that, so here you just come down to true length here, you will remove that. Then go to move, disable copy, select this and bring it here. Now we want to find what is the angle of theta. So theta will be equal to 35.68. Is it right? Yes, 35.68. Then again you come down to this. So what is the angle you have? 16.95. 16.95 degrees. So both are right. So now what I need to do? I need to write the answers. So to do that, I will say true length. So I will say true length. Then what is the distance? 85.73. So you take 85.73. Then mm. Now we want to have the theta part. The theta is 35.68 degrees. So you just come down to this. You will say 35.68 degrees by holding the Alt key, type 0176 and remove the Alt key. Then you have 16.95 degrees. So you take 16.95 by holding the Alt key, type 0176. So degree symbol you will get. So again you just go to move, disable copy, you take this and keep it here. Similarly 35.68, it is the true inclination with respect to HP, and 5 is the true inclination with respect to VP. And you take theta, copy that, move, copy that here, and you copy that here, 5. Now these are all the things which you need to find out. So now I need to write the line, you select some arbitrary point, then draw a vertical line, and from here you can draw one more. So then you go to line, draw a line from end point of this to the horizontal line, and go to trim corner between these two. Then you go to move this, enable copy, select this. So don't want to move in the x direction, so you just type x is 0, then theta, then go to move, select this, enter, take move, enable copy, you select this, click to move from here. So I don't want the displacement in y direction, so you make it 0. So place it wherever you want. Then go to text, and here it's Times New Roman and type answers. Then you just go to move, disable copy, you select this and move it wherever you want. Now this is how you will be able to create the drawing. But finally I want to show the directions of projections. To show the directions of projections, remove endpoint and intersection, enable only point on element. Now I will go for a leader, you select this on the arbitrary point, then you give the projection, directions of projections. Then from this side also, similarly from here, it will be like this. So these are all the directions of projections. Now I want to show the dimensions of this. You go to distance between, you want to make it nominal, select between these two. So what is the dimension, which is 25, then you select between these two, it will go to be 50. So this is how you will be able to create the entire drawing and also entire drawing by using the Solidate software. Then how do I know that my drawing is right? So you can see that A dash, B1 dash is the line which is the true length, because that is capital A and capital B. So what should be the condition for the front view line to be in true length? The top view line has to be parallel. So you can see both AB1 is parallel to VP in the top view. Therefore, in the corresponding front view, you are going to be able to get the true length. Now similarly, I want to find the true length in the horizontal plane. So here what I have done, I have took the front view line parallel to XY, because A dash is on HP, B2 dash is also HP. Now this parallel to XY. So the corresponding top view B2 and A are in true length, because B2 is already on BP and you are already on BP, and here you have to brought that to HP. Now it is a case wherein the line is another endpoint of the line is on both HP and BP. If it is on HP, the line will going to become parallel. If it is on VP, it will only be able to find the true length. So this is how you will be able to analyze the entire drawing and find the solution. So I will go for one more dimension of this, because I have not shown this. So this is the 65 mm, that is the distance between the end projectors when measured parallel to the line of intersection of both HP and VP. So if you see the dimensions from either from the one which you have created here and the one what you got the answer here, both are one and the same. Hence, that is the advantage of using the CAD software, where you will be able to find the good repeatability and also the accuracy of the drawing is improved considerably.